Tonight, Action 9 investigates a big tax preparation chain that brags about low fees and big refunds. But many customers claimed they were hit with hundreds of dollars in hidden charges.
And Todd Ulrich tracked down a former employee of the company who said she was trained to run up the bill.
Ads suggest big refunds and low fees at LBS Tax Services.
What did I expect to pay? $75, like I was told when I first called.
But Deborah Maldonado's charge at LBS totaled more than $800. Deborah discovered that when she saw how much money the company took from her refund.
Did they ever mention these fees while you were there?
Not at all.
Fees that included $75 for each form that was used. Later, the company showed her a receipt she signed, but Deborah claims the total amount had not been there.
Which is absolutely ridiculous. Who would pay $800 to do their taxes?
Deborah's return was prepared at this LBS South Orange County office.
I have some questions about how returns are prepared here. Are the fees really disclosed to folks?
LBS, also known as Loan Buy Sell, has 15 local locations and an F rating at the BBB. Most complaints involve excessive and undisclosed fees. Karen Dennis says she worked at LBS for a month.
Were you being trained to hide the fees?
Yes.
Her company script showed a $75 fee, but Karen claims she was expected to charge at least $600 for simple returns and use 7 extra forms to run up the bill.
They really don't need those extra forms.
To get that refund?
To get that refund. That money's already there.
And some customers could face trouble with the IRS.
We had this tax return prepared at an LBS office for a local customer, reviewed by a financial planning expert.
Our expert found that preparer claimed college tax credits for children under 12 who could not possibly qualify. That added another $2,600 refund an IRS audit could uncover.
And the taxpayer is responsible for the taxes and any interest and penalties that are due. And you're going to be looking for the guy that did the tax return. He's long gone.
Several customers told us they've complained to the IRS.
Just the fact that you're doing this to people is sad.
An LBS spokesman told me every employee must disclose all fees. Top managers there did not return any of our calls. Several tax experts said these simple returns cost about $100 to $200 to prepare, a huge difference.